Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's talk about roll up at the wall.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So when I was putting together the accessories flashcard deck, it was actually really important to me to include wall exercises. Not just any wall Pilates exercises, but ones that actually will give you, one, Pilates exercises, and two, allow you to do Pilates exercises without the wall. The accessories deck, to me, is this amazing collection of exercises that can create accessibility to some Pilates exercises on the mat, reformer, chairs, Cadillac, barrels, that might not be something you're able to understand yet in your body. And so by having all these different props and tools, it allows us to have more access to Pilates, even if we don't have time to go to a studio. So the roll-up is really great because you can actually feel what parts of your body are kind of getting stuck or coming off in a chunk. If it's coming off on the wall in the chunk, it's going to do that on the mat as well. And as you get stronger and more articulation and more long mobility in your spine, the roll-up on the floor is going to be much easier. So if you have the accessory flashcard deck and that's why you're here, thank you so much. And if you don't, check them out because they're pretty great. So you'll have your feet, usually you'll do this from the 100, so your feet will already be about one of your footsteps away from the wall. Then you want to use those stomach muscles, find as much length as you can into the wall. And then your arms go forward and you roll your head and chest down and you start to peel one bone at a time off the wall, and you'll get to a point where you're stuck, usually around your sacrum, but sometimes you get stuck sooner. Then you pull your stomach back and you roll all the way up. When you come up, it's tempting to let the ribs pop off the wall. So breathe your low ribs into the wall, shoulders are into the wall, head's at the wall. And again, exhale, peel off the wall, pulling your waist back, and then pull your center back and roll right back up again. And so you can do 3 to 5 of these. And you can feel like, oh, I keep coming off in a chunk, or when I come up, I arch off the wall. That's information for you. If your ribs keep leaving the wall when you're rolling up, you're losing that arm back connection, but especially your center. And that means you're having to start every roll up from momentum versus from strength. It's not going to make your roll-ups easier. Unfortunately, it's going to make it harder. So the wall can really help correct that and give you that amazing feedback where sometimes on a squishy mat, we might not feel it. If you have questions about the roll-up at the wall, put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. We go live on Sundays answering your questions at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And on this YouTube channel, we do have a wall Pilates workout putting all of these together. I hope you check it out.